When I tell you I have been addicted to this matcha, let me show you the best matcha you're gonna have this summer. It's a watermelon matcha. We're gonna start with about 5 ice cubes, and I don't like to buy the whole watermelon because I'm lazy, so pay $5 for cut up watermelons. That's about 6 watermelon cubes. And then we're gonna add some coconut water. This is personally my favorite coconut water brand. Fill it up. Then to get the vitamin C, vitamin E, niacinamide, and zinc, we're gonna add 1 sachet of my Baeva Brazilian Skin Booster. This stuff is so good. It's gonna give a little bit of like tartness to this matcha. And then it already smells so good. We're gonna pour that over rice. To add a little bit of milk to mine. Then pour the matcha over it. Taste test. We have matcha, watermelon. Everything is just perfect. It's gonna be a great day. Besides that sound.